JUNKERDAL National Park was established in 2004 and lies north of Arctic Circle. It's a neighbor to Satertind and Sulitjelma mountains. This time I decided to explore area around Satertind and southwest part of National Park.
Hello guys, it's me Zdeno again, and today I'm on a trip together with my two friends, Morten and Svatopluk, and we are in Balvatnet, just starting our trip a little bit after 4 o'clock. The weather is not totally excellent, but it's not raining as it was some time ago, so we are going!
Storengdalen, yeah.
Upper part, about the trees.
Yeah, over the tree line.
We continue.
Yeah, we continue up the valley into the white.
Into the white.
Journey through the valley was pretty much easy and we just followed the trail. After 3 hours and approximately 10 kilometers, we reached a place where we decided to build up a camp. And of course, we started to melt snow, which takes a lot of time because we needed a lot of water for both dinner and tea.
How do you like it so far?
It's very nice. Yeah, no wind on how many meters are we?
700?
700, yeah, it's very good. It's not so cold and yeah, we're just enjoying ourselves. So, yeah.
So this is the
Yeah.
kitchen and the living room.
Yeah.
Solid build it. And there we have the Czech part of the expedition. Mr. Svatopluk is now securing his stand with the Isaacs. It's very safe.
Yeah, a little bit more sun
Yeah.
and it's just perfect.
Maybe it will come tomorrow.
I hope that it will.
We will see. Good morning from our base camp. Around 700 meters. Let's see how it looks outside. Weather is beautiful. Guys are making some breakfast here. And the goal for today's trip is up there. It's called Satertind.
Yes.
So guys, are you looking forward?
Yeah, it's gonna be great. We're heading for the summit. 1,623
23?
meters. Yeah.
Alright, let's go!
Let's go. We see the top maybe.
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 We can, but it's under the
What do
cloud.
you suggest?
To the left, up, and on the ridge
course.
down to the saddle.
Woo.
Slowly going up.
Slowly, slowly.
And the last 50 or 70 vertical meters on the ridge leading to Satertind. It's a bit steep, so we need to take care, but I think it goes It goes just fine. After 4.5 hours we made it to the top of the Satertind, which is 1620 meters. We guess that not many people went here, at least today, or maybe neither this winter. But we are lucky with the weather. Now the skies are opening, and here are also my friends Morten and Svatopluk and the dogs enjoying the view. So it's really good.
Very nice.
How do you like it, Morten?
Yeah, it's fantastic. No wind.
No wind.
Sunny right now. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's great.
It's great, yeah.
Uh-huh.
And Mr. Svatopluk?
It's really great.
You're enjoying your time right now.
Yeah. We have a moment.
Satertind is called Satar in Sami language, and the view from the top is magnificent. We could see Swedish mountains all the way to Sarek, Sulitjelma giants, Balvatnet close to Bude, and many mountains in South Filesvardisen, including majestic Orfil. On days like this, I wonder if it is possible to live up here, on the mountain tops. The contrast of being so small in never-ending mountains makes me feel to be part of this environment, to be a part of mountains and natural world. Many people go to nature to charge their batteries, but I don't. For me, this is home.
Here we are in the famous Michelin restaurant with at least 3 stars up in the Storengdalen. And Svacha, what did you order today?
Just finishing grill fill meal.
Oh.
Pasta Provence from Shawarna.
So
Expirated at 2011.
Oh man, so do you still feel the fresh pesto from it?
I think that it was just delicious.
And the second customer in our do-it-yourself restaurant, Morten.
Yes, the
what is your menu
water
today?
is hot, and also from the Italian kitchen is bolognese.
Oh.
Pasta bolognese. So,
Oh really? That's so cool.
So now we're gonna make it. It's very complicated to make it actually.
Where are we now?
And we are sitting down here, I guess. And we went up this valley, up over a small glacier, on these tops and on the ridge up there. And then we went back.
Cool.
So now we are sitting here enjoying the sun.
Where are we going tomorrow?
Yeah, maybe there
Or there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then we're going home.
Good morning from the camp, day 3 of our trip, probably the last day if nothing happens. And today we are going on the other side of the valley, either to a mountain called Salfjellet or Storfjellet. We will see when we get to the saddle. We are on the very top of Storfjellet. Mr. Svatopluk, how do you feel?
Oh, very nice. Very nice.
Yeah?
A little bit foggy up here, but anyway, very nice trip.
After 2 lovely days in our base camp, we are leaving the place. It was really nice with good view and a lot of sun.
Yeah.
And now we are heading down.
Now we're heading down the valley.
Okay.
Two days about tree line in JUNKERDAL National Park opened up my mind, and I immediately started with planning new trips. I simply love this feeling of going somewhere I haven't been before, where I can use all my senses, where I can observe nature and all small details. During our trip we haven't met any people, but we saw 2 snowmobiles. I guess it was Sami reindeer herders looking for their reindeer. If you like this video and want to see next part of Back to Nature series, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Cheers!